Local fishing in summer 2024 was a little bit slower, close to home action than we'd hoped for, but we did have some fun days at the Coronado Islands and spent a lot of days there. In summer 2023, we could go out and find patties, warmer water, and bluefin, bigger size, closer to home. This summer looked a little different. So this is what a basic skiff day looked like for us. Wake up in the morning and be at the launch ramp about 5. Hopefully be underway with bait at around 5:30. And with that, sometimes there'd be a bit of a line if we left too late. For the most part, we could be to the Coronado Islands by 6:30 in the morning, which is kind of crazy to think about. You can wake up in your bed in San Diego and then be fishing in islands in Mexico at 6:30 in the morning. So ahead of time, of course, we're reading reports, kind of learning about the different zones, what might be biting at the time, but every day was different. Rolling up in the water temperature can be completely different than the day before. The bite totally different than the day before. Unfortunately, the days it was completely wide open out here, we were working, but we made the most of the days that we did have. Riley caught a nice one at 7:30 this morning. You're constantly catching barracuda and calico in between and, moving around trying to meet her fish. The amount of time spent there was cool because you just get to know the different way that nature interacts between the islands and the birds and the temp, as well as just working the weather side versus the inside and the middle grounds. And we got to spend the 4th of July rolling back into U.S. waters, which was pretty sick. And we love skiff life for the fact that you can get somewhere in an hour, seeing lots of cool stuff along the way.